upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make purchasing decisions as easy as pie, without the calories. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two heavyweights, the Bissell Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop 10-in-1 Floor Steamer. If you're anything like me, your floors probably resemble a crime scene after a wild dinner party. So let's find out which of these mops can clean up our mess, and possibly our dignity. First up, let's talk about price. The Bissell comes in hot at $102, while the GorFanty is strutting in at $119. Reviewers have noted that the Bissell offers great value for its price, especially for those looking for a lightweight and effective cleaning solution. Meanwhile, the GorFanty, though a bit pricier, is praised for its versatility and the range of attachments it provides. So is the GorFanty worth that extra cash? Let's keep cleaning. Moving on to features, the Bissell is like a loyal dog, simple, effective, and it helps save pets. It has a 30-second heat-up time, a 12-inch cleaning path, and offers both high and low steam settings. Reviewers appreciate its easy maneuverability and quick steam production. On the flip side, we have the GorFanty, which is like that overachieving friend who shows up to a potluck with a 10-course meal. This beauty is a 10-in-1 steamer with a detachable handheld option and boasts 10 accessories. Reviewers love its quick heating time of just 20 seconds and versatility for cleaning multiple surfaces. So whether you want simplicity or a Swiss Army knife of cleaning, both have their strengths. Now, on to the all-important sanitization. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs without using harsh chemicals, and many reviewers echo this sentiment, feeling like cleaning superheroes without needing a cape. However, some do miss the fragrance disc for a fresh scent. Meanwhile, the GorFanty also boasts 99.9% germ elimination, but it does it at a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers appreciate that it uses just tap water, making it a cost-effective option. So you can save money and feel like a cleaning wizard at the same time. Next up, usability. The Bissell's got a 25-foot power cord. Enough length for a mini marathon around your home. Reviewers enjoy its easy-to-use mop pad and quick warm-up time, but some lament the lack of automatic cord rewind. The GorFanty, however, flaunts a 23-foot ultra-long cord and is lightweight with adjustable height. Reviewers love its maneuverability and ease of filling, making it perfect for cleaning without the strain. So whether you prefer a longer cord or lightweight flexibility, usability is a key factor. Overall, both steam mops have garnered positive feedback from users, with the Bissell being favored for its affordability and effectiveness, especially in homes with pets. Meanwhile, the GorFanty shines in versatility and a comprehensive cleaning experience, making it a hit for those looking for more than just a floor cleaner. So which steam mop reigns supreme? If you want a reliable mop with a heart for pets, go for the Bissell. But if you want versatility and a cleaning machine that can tackle everything from floors to your toddler's Lego fortress, the GorFanty might just be your new best friend. Remember, folks, whether you're Team Bissell or Team GorFanty, the key is to buy smart. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below on which mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Outro music fades out.